Today's star, a mouth-watering chicken taco that's quick and easy to make. Pat them dry, drizzle with olive oil, sprinkle smoked paprika, and rub it in. Preheat the griddle to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. You need real heat to get that golden crust. Grill both sides for about 4 minutes. With Turbo E, just plug it in and grill. The smell is amazing. Slice it up, and look at that juice, so tender. Dice some tomatoes, onions, and cilantro dot. Add a splash of lemon juice, a pinch of salt and black pepper, mix it all up. Now for the avocado sauce. Dice up some avocado and garlic, add yogurt, and blend until smooth. A layer of shredded lettuce, the fresh salad, juicy chicken strips, some cheese, and a dollop of avocado sauce. Wrap it up tight. Toast it on both sides for 30 seconds to lock in the shape. Slice it open. Quick, simple, and seriously delicious. Want to learn more? Visit PlugNGrill.com for more.